How to turn on screensaver on Vivo Y02t mobile phone. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to display and brightness. And display and brightness, scroll down and you can see here the screensaver. And the screensaver is off. To turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the screensaver. And now you can see here the use screensaver, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. If this turn on, okay, you can turn on this by switching on the switch button. You can see the option here. You can see here the clock or photo. So okay guys, I select the clock and you can preview the clock screensaver by tap the preview button below. And you can see the screensaver, the clock. Okay. So you can also set into photo by selecting this photo. But I have no photo on my cell phone now. So you can set or customize by tap the customize here. Okay guys, I decide to set into clock screensaver. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on the screensaver on my Vivo Y02t mobile phone.